Hey guys, this is AJ again. So I'm gonna give you the little feedback on this computer. This is the custom built computer. Here is the owner, John. He brought this to me because he was not able to turn the computer on. It was not posting. So we went through the troubleshooting, the RAM, removed the RAMs. We put that this is the DDR5 based Ryzen 9, the GPU we have. It's not a powerful GPU, but he was not able to put the computer, turn the computer on. So we tried it everything, but finally we ended up to remove this giant the fan, CPU fan, and we found out. Let me show you. By the way, this is very good, the motherboard. So X6070, this one has everything on it. The price, we bought it at the Micro Center, $289. You may get a good deal on the internet, Amazon or somewhere, but anyway, that's how much it was at the Micro Center. This is, you can see the pins are busted, as you can see it here, multiple areas. And that was our finding. It was reporting the RAM issue, and that was the finding. And John went to the Micro Center. It's about 40 minutes ride from my shop, and we got swapped the motherboard out, and everything is working. So everything is under the specs right now. So this card only can produce 122 FPS. The card we have is RX 6600. The CPU fan that's producing very good cooling down the CPU. This is the Ryzen 9. The GPU core temp is 61 Celsius, and we are at 48, 49 Celsius on the CPU. So, John, what would you add in this video?
What I add? I think one of the most important lessons.
What did you learn?
What I learned?
That's the main important stuff. So,
I learned to double check, right? So the issue that we found was with the CPU socket. So it would have been smart to check every component. Just double check everything. Then I learned, what else? I learned proper
wiring,
right? Different components that I should add towards my build that would help it in the long run. I learned about the BIOS setup, Q flashing. What else? Just a good amount.
Yeah. So another thing we found out was the wiring for the I/O panel. It was not correctly connected, so we corrected everything, but I still was not posting because of the CPU pins were bent. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any problems and you are in the area, the cover Montclair area and Essex County and Sussex County are completely North New Jersey. So my physical shop is located on 276 Route 10 West in Sakasana, and this is my shop. You want to be in the video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so conveniently located on Route 10. Just give me a call if you have any problems with a custom built computer or anything about computers, Macs, data recovery, or phone screens, or everything we do cover here. So give us a call and we'll get you going. Thank you for watching.